Chriso. We'll I've just changed the roller on my bar. I don't know when I last did it. It was a long time ago. It's finally sort of worn that I had a couple of rollers there, so I thought, well, I might as well put a new one on. So I have done. Just oil up the bar a bit. You always need to keep your bar clean, DIYs. If you're doing a project, buy one of these suckers, you'll always get your money back. Look at that, beautiful. We're good to go. Good to go, Joe. New roller. Nicely oiled up. 25-year-old Sigma cutter. The best out there. We'll see you soon.